kingdom stood by the river's side, hearts full of anger, consumed by pride. For just a stream so small, so slight, they gathered there, prepared to fight. Then came the Gautama Buddha, calm and clear, a voice of truth they all could hear. He asked the kings to pause and see what truly holds their dignity. What is water worth, O king? Very little came answering. And what are lives, your people dear, beyond all price, forever near? Then why let anger lead the way, and cast what's priceless all away? It is not fitting, Buddha said, to trade for water the lives you'd shed. For in your rage you fail to see the cost of such hostility. Were I not here this very day, a river of blood would find its way from blinded hearts and poisoned will that seek to harm, to conquer, kill. Among the hateful, do not hate, do not let anger seal your fate. Among the restless chasing gain, step away from greed and pain. Among those driven by greed and blinded by ignorance, do not be drawn into their fire. In letting go, your hearts will find a deeper peace, a freer mind. So what is water in the end, compared to life you cannot mend? Lay down the sword, let anger cease, for greater than all is lasting peace. And so the king stood still that day, as hatred slowly fell away. No war was fought, no blood was spilled. By Buddha's truth, their hearts were stilled.